How to upload high-quality story on Instagram iPhone. First of all, go ahead and open up the Instagram application on your phone. You are now in the Instagram homepage. Now, go to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile picture. You can view all your posts as well as your followers and following list from here. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on the 3 horizontal bars. Scroll down to the Your App and Media section and tap on Media Quality. Here, turn on the Upload at Highest Quality switch as shown. This setting will always upload the highest quality photos and videos, even if uploading takes longer. Now, go back to the homepage and tap on plus icon over your story. Tap on Add to your story. Choose the photo you want to add from here and then tap on your story below. You have now successfully added this photo to your story. Tap on your story to view it. Following these steps, you can easily upload high-quality story on Instagram iPhone.